Welcome to Unit 3, Lesson 5, Special Parallelograms. Now, we're still going to be talking about parallelograms. It's just we are now going to extend our knowledge and talk about 3 special types of parallelograms. So because these are all parallelograms, all the properties that we learned in the previous lessons still apply. Now, this is a rhombus, and it has a special property that makes it a rhombus. So I would like for you and your group to pause the video and discuss what you think makes it special. Go ahead and do that now. Okay. What I was hoping you would notice is that all these sides here are 3. All the sides are equal. If their lengths are equal, that means that they are congruent. And that's what makes it a special parallelogram and makes it a rhombus. A rhombus has all sides congruent. So all the sides in a rhombus are going to be the same length. Now, a rhombus also has another special property with its diagonals. While they do bisect each other because it is a parallelogram, this also occurs. There is a perpendicular intersection within a rhombus. So the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. The next type of special parallelogram we were going to discuss is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. And again, what I would like for you to do is to, with your group, discuss what you think makes this a rectangle. What special property does it have? So go ahead and do this now. All right. What I was wanting you to notice here was these 4 right angles. These 4 right angles are what make this parallelogram a rectangle. The side lengths don't matter for a rectangle. We're only worried about the angles. If you see that it has 4 right angles, you know it is a rectangle. Just like the rhombus, there's a special property here with the diagonals. The diagonals do bisect each other, but you also see that in a rectangle, the diagonals are also congruent. So for it to be a rectangle, it's got 4 right angles. We also know that the diagonals are congruent. Now we're going to move over to our last special parallelogram, the square. Now, again, I would like for you to pause the video and discuss with your group what makes the square special. Go ahead and do that now. Okay. What I hope that you notice was that if you look at the sides, all 4 sides are equal, therefore they're congruent, so it's equilateral. Just like the rhombus, it's equilateral. You also notice that all 4 angles are right, just like the rectangle. So a square is equilateral, equiangular, and that's what's so special about it. It's basically like you took a rhombus and a rectangle and you put them together into one. Now, if it's a rhombus and a rectangle, that means that its diagonals are also going to have those same properties. If we look here, put in the diagonals, you see that there is a right angle, like the rhombus, as well as they are congruent. So just to recap, a rhombus is equilateral,